Onions are a staple in South Asian countries. It is hard to find a kitchen that does not have a stock of onions. But as festival season approaches in Bangladesh, onion prices have hit the sky. They are being sold for as much as 120 takas, that is $1.41 a kilo. What triggered this price rise? Bangladeshi leaders say the problem is because India has banned onion exports. When we spoke to the people on the ground, they had a different story to tell. Here's a Gravitas ground report from Dhaka.
We are facing some issues because of the ban on onion exports from India. I don't know why you banned exports of onion. It would have been better if you had alerted us in advance so that we could have sourced onions from some other countries. You banned it suddenly and it became a problem for us.
October 2019. Desperate times call for desperate measures. When India banned the export of onions last September, Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina lamented the ban in Hindi. This was during her trip to India. In the very same breath, Hasina told the world how she had instructed her cook to avoid using onions. Another Hilsa season and onion prices have once again touched the sky in Bangladesh. Dhaka is pointing the finger at India's onion ban. Just for context, India banned onion exports on the 14th of this month. The reasons were various and many. Spike in wholesale prices, excessive rain and floods, and rise in international onion demand. Onions are a staple in India, and the Narendra Modi government could not afford to risk a price jump. So the export of this bulb was banned. Now take a look at what's happening across the border. Protest and politics. Onions are being sold for up to 120 taka or $1.41 a kilo, as opposed to 30 taka or $0.35 a kilo earlier this month. Bangladeshi leaders blame India for this misery. When we reached out to people on the ground, they told us a different story.
Farmers are not taking out onions from their houses.
It's an artificial crisis created by a group.
About 300.5 tons of onions are coming to this market every day. Not even 50 tons are coming in the last 2 days.
We also found some very interesting data. Do you know how much onion Bangladesh consumes in a year? 25 lakh tons. What about the amount of onion it produces in a year? 25.57 lakh tons. The supply is more than the demand. Then why should there be a crisis? According to Bangladesh's Department of Agricultural Extension, 25% of the country's onion production gets damaged every year. It is a perishable product. What about warehouses? Questions aside, the fact is, every year Bangladesh imports around 350,000 tons of onions from India. But India's onion ban is slowly becoming an annual affair. Could Bangladesh have prepared better this monsoon?
Although there are still stocks of onion in the warehouse, the retail market has suddenly run out of onions. Most people think this is an artificial crisis. Some are blaming government's lack of advanced preparation. In such a situation, Bangladesh government is looking for new market for onion import.
Is this an artificial crisis? Is this political? As Bangladesh awaits onion imports from Turkey and Egypt, it has requested India to rethink the ban. From Dhaka, Lakmina Jasmine Soma for WION World is One.